Good morning to all of you. Welcome to online class. I hope you are fine. Student, now I am going to teach a new topic, air pollution. Student, you know air? Air is a mixture of different type of gases. Means it contains oxygen, nitrogen, hydrogen, noble gas. Okay, different. Okay, and their importance also. What is the use of nitrogen? We know. What is the use of oxygen? We take oxygen for the respiration. Okay, student. So question is, what is the pollution? So student, anything which disturb the composition of the air is known as the air pollution. So what are the things? By our physical activity or the chemical activity or by any region, by natural process also, if by any region, if their composition become disturbed, okay, or if their percentage increase or decrease, it create the problem. It's known as the air pollution. This process known as the air pollution. Association add undesired components to the natural air, result air pollution. So student, you know, like carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is very important for the plant, but when their percentage increases, then there result many problems like respiratory problem also. Okay, so when the percentage increase, like suppose that other gases, noble gases. So if any gas, anything which disturb the composition of the air is known as this process known as the air pollution, and the things is known as the pollutants. Means the things which are disturb the composition known as the pollutants. So student, here are we discuss about the some air pollutants and their effect. So student, first we discuss about the fine particulates. What is the fine particulate? So student, very small fragment of solid material suspended in air is called fine particulates. Student, when anything burn, smoke, you know smoke, so some solid material also become released in the atmosphere, and the result, this is known as the dust particle, smoke or soot. So question is, what is their drawback? Student, smoke and soot produced due to the burning of wood and fossil fuel. When wood burn, fossil fuel like coal burn, it releases the such type of particles. Okay, and what is their drawback? Student, such things become mixed up in the atmosphere, the composition, and the result asthma. Okay, you know asthma and bronchus problem in the lungs. Okay, student, and when their percentage increases, means the fine particulate percentage increases, then the student in the winter season, the visibility, fog, it picks up in the fog and decrease the visibility, and the result, the accident, lead oxide. Okay, and lead oxide are the very dangerous for the children. Okay, similarly the asbestos is also released in the solid form, and their result, our lungs suffer by the one problem is known as the silicosis. Okay, so these are the disadvantages of the fine particulate. Next one is the carbon monoxide. You know, the incomplete combustion. The incomplete combustion of fossil fuel release the carbon monoxide. And what is their drawback? Student, when we take oxygen, then with the help of oxygen, carbon monoxide also enters in our body. And remember student, our blood, our hemoglobin take carbon monoxide 300 times more than the oxygen. Okay, means when carbon monoxide and oxygen both enter in our body, then both become reach our lungs. So from lungs, first blood carry the carbon monoxide, leave the oxygen. First they carry the carbon monoxide, and the result, our carbon monoxide react with the hemoglobin and form the carboxyhemoglobin. And student, when oxygen react, it forms the oxyhemoglobin. But when carbon monoxide react with the hemoglobin, it forms the carboxyhemoglobin, and the result, the person become dying. Clear? Next question, sulfur dioxide. Student, sulfur dioxide. sulfur is present in the coal as an impurity. So when coal burn, it react with the oxygen and form the sulfur dioxide gas. Student, sulfur dioxide emission come from the power generating plants. You know, student, our thermal power plant, we use the coal and coal burn and release the such type of gases. And sulfur dioxide release. Okay, so sulfur dioxide is also given out during volcanic eruption. It is poisonous and affect our lungs. It can cause eyes and throat infection. Okay, student, and you know the sulfur dioxide. See, student, when sulfur react with the oxygen, it forms sulfur dioxide, and sulfur dioxide again react with the oxygen, form the sulfur trioxide. Student, such things react with the such sulfur dioxide react with the water vapor, form the sulfurous acid. Okay. Sulfurous acid, sulfuric acid. And during the acid rain, it mix up in the rain and fall on earth. So state is create a very big problem. Similarly, state, see nitrogen dioxide. State the automobiles. When automobiles fuel burn, it releases the nitrogen dioxide. State nitrogen dioxide is very dangerous. When nitrogen dioxide react with the water vapor, it forms the nitric acid. It forms the nitric acid. See, like nitrogen dioxide react with the water vapor, it forms nitric acid. And can you such nitric acid fall on earth in the form of rain? When rain water mix up with the nitric acid, it fall on earth in the form of rain, and the result is the plant, the animals, the building is contact with the such acid, it damage the building, it damage the crop. Many plants, many insects are dying by the acid. And next one is the chlorofluorocarbon, CFC. Student, CFC. Student, nowadays we use the aerosol, we use spray in the air condition, we use CFC, chlorofluorocarbon. Okay, student, CFC we use in the refrigerant and air condition, but there is the one drawback. What is the drawback? Student, such CFC disturb the composition of ozone. You know, student, ozone? Ozone is the one protective layer. Student, our atmosphere covered by one gas is known as the ozone. Okay. What is the function of ozone? Ozone protect us from the sun rays, because our sun releases the many harmful rays. So such ozone absorbs such rays or it returns such rays. Okay, but what is the function of CFC? CFC disturb the ozone, it break the ozone into the oxygen and O ion. At the result, ozone layer when disturbed, then the result, the sun rays directly enter into our atmosphere, and the result, the living beings, plant or animal, which contact with the sun rays, the person become die. Can see the cell develop in their body. Okay, skin cancer, the very dangerous problem. Okay, student. So CFC also what we use, it also very dangerous for our human beings, mankind. Okay, student. So these are the some points of the air pollutants. Okay, and their drawback. Okay, student. So the next topic we will discuss in the next video.